everybody, it's Chelsea with RTW Discoveries. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a tour on this oceanfront hotel named the W Fort Lauderdale. Stay tuned. The W Fort Lauderdale Hotel is in the center of it all. Not only do you have the beach right across the street, but you also have award-winning restaurants, shopping, and live attractions. Now to the left of the lobby, you have this area that is referred to as the living room, which is very fitting. Look at all the couches and sofas. You also have many flat screen TVs, and you have this bar area over here, but unfortunately the time that I went due to COVID, the bar was closed. Now I'm sure if it wasn't due to all the restrictions that we have, that this area would have been crowded with people. I mean, why not? Look how beautiful it is. All the sofas, they have games set up. So this is a great area when you want to get everyone together and just get comfortable, get yourself a drink. I'm pretty sure all the guys are down here watching football and just getting ready for the rest of the evening. One thing I can say about the decor is no matter where you went, every location was definitely Instagram worthy. So if you're looking for a great place to take some cool photos, this is definitely the location. Now I know some of you guys like to work on your vacation, so they also have a library. Okay. I know you guys want to see the room, and I'm probably taking forever to get there, but let's go ahead and let's go to the room. We're going to 1431. Now, right off the elevator, if you make a left, you will notice that they also have another building, which is where you'll see all of the residents' homes for the W. So we're walking down to the guest room, which is called Wonderful. It is a one king oceanfront view. So come on, let's go to 1431. As soon as you walk in, you have your closet in front of you with your robe and slippers, your ironing board, everything that you're going to need to get ready. Once you pass the closet, you're going to make your way to the bathroom area. So of course you're going to have a mirror right above the sink where you're able to get ready. They did keep everything fully stocked. I never ran out of towels, and I always had. And to the left, you have your private toilet area. And to your right, you have your shower area with a sheer partition so that the person on the opposite side cannot see through. Now, making our way around, we have the number one important thing, the full-length mirror. Ladies, you know we need this. Now, before y'all leave comments in the comment area talking about why is the bed so wrinkled, I took a nap. I needed to take a nap. So just act like it's smooth, okay? In front of the bed, we have a TV. You also get a mini fridge, and this is for your adjoining rooms. And over here is just an option for some additional seating. Now let's get to this view, honey. Because they know you're going to be out here for so long, here's 2 chairs with a center table. Now I don't know about you, but when I say I want a room with an oceanfront view, this is what I mean. Not only did I get the oceanfront, but I also got the pool view. And what else can you ask for? You get a little music, a little beach, a little pool area. So this is everything that I wanted when I thought about booking a hotel with a beachfront view. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour, but I need to go to the beach. See you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.